In this particular video, you can see the peripheral nerve. This is the LS, longitudinal section, and this is the transverse section. So you can see the transverse section, and each nerve fiber which is present here has got an axon, and it is covered by Schwann cells. You can see the Schwann cells surrounding them. So these are the Schwann cells, and this each one is a axon, and they are present over the basal lamina. So each nerve fiber has axon, Schwann cells, and the basal lamina, which is covered by something called the endoneurium. Okay, endoneurium surrounds individual nerve fibers, and they are covered by loose connective tissue. So this is covered by, there is another layer here, you can see perineurium, which has a lot of fibrocytes, and perineurium surrounds the nerve fasciculi. So each fasciculi is covered by perineurium, and it forms a barrier for this nerve and the blood that is outside. So blood vessels you can see outside. So it forms a barrier. So this is the perineurium. And then there is epineurium, which is completely outside. In this section you can see the epineurium. So this is the epineurium, which is again rich in dense connective tissue. Of course, this here dense connective tissue, it has a lot of blood vessels, and it also here what is seen is adipocytes. Lot of adipocytes are seen here. So this is the epineurium. This portion is the perineurium, and inside will be the endoneurium surrounding the individual nerve fibers, and it is covered by loose connective tissue. And then inside that you can see a nerve fiber which has axon within, and then the Schwann cells covering them. So this is about the longitudinal section and the transverse section of the peripheral nerve. So these are all this nervous tissue is stained by special stain called the osmium tetroxide. So which is specially designed to stain the myelin and the fat tissue. So it will make it appear black in color, but in this picture you can see it pink because here H&E staining is shown. So you can see in close up, you can see the adipocytes, you can see some venules. This is the arteriole. Okay, so these are some connective tissue. This is called interfascicular connective tissue, and there is again arteriole covered by the tunics, and then this is the venule, and these are adipocytes with eccentric nuclei. So here you can see the nerve fasciculi. So Schwann cells are indicated like this. So it depends on where exactly the section is taken. So this is about the peripheral nerve, spinal ganglion, and the sympathetic ganglion, which all belong to the nervous tissue.